Hi friends, how are you? By blessings to God, you are doing well. So this is Dr. Jena, faculty member of PG Department of Business Management, Fakulty University, Bihar, Balasore, Odisha. Friends, once again I am welcoming to all of you to your channel, to my channel, Dr. Jena classes. Friends, today we are going to discuss what is the meaning of organization structure and what are the different types of organization structure. So friends, we will discuss in this video content the various types of organization structure by citing the suitable example. And so far as today's discussion is concerned, today's discussion will be very useful, particularly that is the 12th, 11th and 12th standards of that is the commerce board, as well as so today's discussion will be very useful, that is for commerce management, PMR and other related subjects. फिर भी today's discussion will be very useful and fruitful in that is the lectureship, I mean the assistant professor in the government college as well as in the state and central university. फिर भी today's discussion will be very useful and fruitful, particularly those who are interested for the assistant professor. I mean they are going to appear the UGC NET, JRF, as well as to qualify the JRF, to qualify the assistant professor, as well as to qualify the PhD only. So that's why today's video content will be very useful and fruitful. So friends, during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you find, kindly give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. Further friends, so don't skip the video from beginning to till end. You watch, definitely you will enjoy in this video content. So before discussion, I am wishing all the very best of your upcoming, that is the semester exam or board exam and other related exam. It's the menu for the discussion. Is of discussion, what is the meaning of organization, organizing, process of organizing, the meaning of organization structure, as well as meaning of that is the line organization, line and staff organization. Then similarly the functional organization structure, informal organization structure, then that is the divisional organization structure, project organization structure, matrix organization structure. So friends, ये सब हम डिस्कशन करेंगे in this video content by citing the suitable example. So friends, first one, our discussion on is going on organization structure. So let's we have the idea of what may organize. So organization may be defined as a group of a person working together for a common purpose. So it's the meaning of organization. ये दूसरा मीनिंग है organization. So organization is the establishment of authority relationship among the persons so that it helps in the achievement of organizational objectives. So friends, I am hopeful now clear what is the meaning of organization. I friends हम देखेंगे that is the organizing. So friends, you know that is the organizing also the most important, that is the functions of the management or the process of management. So organizing is a process to plan or arrange an event activity to achieve the goals of the organization. Hence, organizing refers to the harmonious adjustment of various elements to achieve the objectives of the organization. So friends, मैं बोलूँ ये organization का मतलब क्या, organizing का मतलब क्या. So friends, it's the process of management, or you can say friends, it's the process of management. So easily you can remember friends, POSDC. So it's a planning, organizing, A stands for staffing, D stands for directing, and C stands for controlling. So friends, for your kind information, I have already posted one video. It's the छोटा सा video content. Kindly go through the posted video. That is the process of the functions of management. मतलब क्या, meaning क्या है? The functions of management are the core activities or the main activities of an organization that managers of the organization perform these activities to achieve the objectives of an organization. It's the meaning of functions of management. So I have friends, हम देखें a process of organizing. So what are the processes of organizing? So first one, it's knowing the objectives of the organizing. Similarly, that is the determination of various activities of the organization, then grouping and departmentalization of activities of the organization, then determination of a key or main activities of the organization. Further, assignment of responsibility among the employees. So next it's the delegation of authority, then defining the interrelationship, then provision of providing the right environment. So these are friends, it's the provision or process of organizing. नेक्स्ट वन फ्रेंड्स, आइए हम देखेंगे मतलब क्या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर. सो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर इज बेसिकली द फंक्शंस ऑफ allocation of tax. I mean, what are the activities of tax will be allocated among the employees, and accordingly the tax will be performed by delegating the authority, I mean the right amount of the authority, and establish the pattern of relationship or components or parts in the organization. Here friends, it's the दूसरा meaning of organization structure. Kindly you read out for more clarification. So hence, so organization structure is basically the functions of allocation of tax and delegation of authority to achieve the objectives of organization. In the semester exam, so or board exam, so it's the students may get the short question or 1 mark question or 2 mark question. What do you mean by the organization structure? So that's why this video content is very useful and fruitful. नेक्स्ट वन फ्रेंड्स, हम देखेंगे द मेन डिस्कशन क्या है. इट्स द टाइप्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर. सो इट्स फर्स्ट वन इज लाइन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर. ये क्या है फ्रेंड्स? इट इज द कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय डायरेक्ट लाइन्स ऑफ अथॉरिटी फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम. सो हियर इट्स that is the line organization structure. So authority will flow from top to bottom. I mean from top level to middle level as well as to lower level. The bottom level of the organizational hierarchy and lines of responsibility flowing in opposite but equal direct manner. So this definition has been given by J.M. Lundy. So kindly friends, you see, just you read out, it's the chart of the line organization structure. So friends, here to conclude it, the authority will be flowed from top to bottom, and similarly the responsibility will be transferred or flowed from bottom to top level. So line organization is called what? That is the military types of organization. It's the scholar organization, or you can say that is the departmental organization. So here the line organization structure is suitable for the small businesses, family owned business. Hence the line organization structure refers to direct vertical relationship through which the authority moves from the top to bottom. So friends, I have already told you. So friends, now I am hopeful now are clear what we mean by the line organization structure. Next one friends, what is this? The line and staff organization structure. What is this friends? So this structure combines a clear hierarchy of command. I mean that is the line authority. So they are the functional managers. So they may be that is the sales manager, finance manager, HR manager, production manager with specialized support of support functions, means the staff authority. So they will assist to the line authority, I mean the line officer, to increase the decision making and operational efficiency also. So line managers make the core and important business decisions, direct day-to-day operations, whereas staff personnel give the expert advice and counsel and support in specialized like in the HR, finance, legal related officers. So here the line and staff organization structure is suitable for the large organization with the complex operation. The examples of companies and industries using and adopted the line and staff organization, that is the Procter and Gamble, then the machinery manufacturer, global corporations, departmental stores. So here friends, it's that is the chart of the line and staff organization. Here you see friends, so let's take an example. So here that is the managing director is there, production manager, then the foreman. So in this situation, to the production manager, so who will production manager will be regarded as that is the line officers, whereas so here that is the system engineer, R&D staff, and the technical experts and industrial engineers. So they will be regarded as what? The staff officers. So they will assist to whom? To the production manager. Similarly, to the managing director, so the financial advisor, technical advisor, economic advisor, and assistant to MD. So they will be regarded as the staff officer. So similarly, in this condition, this will be that is the line and staff, that is the chart. So or hence the line and staff organization refers that to that. So it's a refers that organization structure where the staff officer, I mean the specialist, I have already told you, assist to the line managers in the performance of their duties. So friends, now clear what we mean by the line and staff organization, as well as the line officer, as well as the the staffs. Next one friends, the functional organization structure. ये क्या है friends? So this structure is based on the principles of specialization and tries to bring the organizational balances. The examples of companies using the functional organization structure, suppose the tech companies such as Google or Apple in marketing, finance, engineering and HR related specialized activities. So they are adopting this structure. So friends, just you read out. So this is the chart of the functional organization structure. So here friends, so hence the functional organization structure implies the organization should be based on the various functions. So these are the function is that is the purchasing, production, that is IT, marketing, finance. So here, so the examples, that is the purchase department, okay, that the functional office or the functional officer. So they will, I mean the purchase manager for the purchase department, production manager for the production department, HR manager for the HR department, IT managers will be responsible and accountable for the IT department, similar like this. So friends, now you are clear. So we have already discussed by citing the suitable examples. So next one friends, the divisional organization structure. So it's the chart of the divisional organization structure. So friends, you see, so definitely you will have the more idea. So divisional organization structure groups the operations of a company or an organization into semi-autonomous units or divisions, like that is the product, service, customer or geographical markets. It may be that east, west, north, south, or it may be the district wise, it may be the country wise, or it may be the continent wise. So this structure is suitable for the large companies with diverse products, services or markets. So here are the examples of the companies using the divisional organization structure: Disney, Samsung, Pepsi, McDonald's, Johnson and Johnson and Reliance Industries Limited. So these are the very good example. I mean, so they have adopted the divisional organization structure. Hence, the divisional structure is an organizational model where a company is divided into independent business units to increase the efficiency. नेक्स्ट वन फ्रेंड्स, ये क्या है? प्रोजेक्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर. सो प्रोजेक्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर को भी हम बोल सकते हैं, दैट इज द प्रोजेक्टाइज्ड और द प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड स्ट्रक्चर. द प्रोजेक्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज ए रोड मैप फॉर द मैनेजमेंट ए प्रोजेक्ट. सो फ्रेंड्स, इट्स द चार्ट फॉर द प्रोजेक्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर. So project organization is a structure which facilitates the coordination and implementation of project related to activity to avoid the what friends overlaps and conflicts. It's the meaning of a project organization structure. Hence, so this structure defines the hierarchy and reporting relationships. And workflows for a temporary project team to achieve the specific goal. So friends, it's the meaning of क्या है? प्रोजेक्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर. नेक्स्ट वन फ्रेंड्स देखेंगे मैट्रिक्स ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर. ये क्या है? सो फ्रेंड्स, यू जस्ट रीड आउट. सो इट्स द चार्ट ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर. सो दिस स्ट्रक्चर इज ए कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ फंक्शनल स्ट्रक्चर and the product structure or project methods of departmentation. In mathematical equation, ये क्या है? It's the matrix organization structure is equal to what is this? The functional structure plus project structure. So friends, here you see for the marketing, the project A is there. Project A, that is the team leader. So here it's the marketing manager. So it's that is the marketing, that is the functional structure, and whereas that is the project A, it's that is the project related structure. So friends, now you are clear. So it's again I am repeating, क्या है? Matrix organization structure is equal to what is this? Functional structure plus the project structure. So here some example. Nike is one of the example of matrix organization structure. Nike has the functional the teams such as that is the HR, marketing and other divisional teams based on both the product as well as the geographical region. So hence the matrix organization structure is a hybrid structure where employees have the dual reporting lines, reporting to both the functional managers as well as to the project managers simultaneously. So friends, now I am hopeful that now clear ये क्या है matrix organization structure. Next one friends, what is this? It's the network organization structure. It's that is the chart or structure of a network organization. So network organizational structure is a system which involves the interaction with the internal and external parties to deliver the products or services. The example of the company using the network organization structure, so there that is the higher Spotify, WL, Gore and associates. Hence this structure is different from the traditional structure. This structure is less hierarchical and more decentralized and more flexible also. It's the meaning of a network organization structure. नेक्स्ट वन फ्रेंड्स, व्हाट इज दिस? द हॉरिजॉन्टल ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल स्ट्रक्चर. ये भी बोल सकते हैं, हम क्या बोल सकते हैं इसको? इट्स द फ्लैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर. दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल स्ट्रक्चर हैज द मिनिमल मैनेजमेंट लेयर्स and promotes the faster communication, greater employee autonomy and a collaborative environment. So examples of companies using the network structure. So friends, it's the chat, just you read out for more understanding. So here that is the Starbucks, H&M, that is the Hira, Chinese multinational appliance manufacturer, WL Gore and Associates, that is the Valve Corporation. It's the video game company. So again it's that is the Spotify. So hence horizontal organization structure is a type of a business structure with a few or no middle management levels between the staff and the executive. So friends, now clear what we mean by horizontal organizational structure. Next one friends, it's the hierarchical organizational structure. Friends क्या है? So this organizational structure is a top down. So from this chart easily you can understand. So this organizational structure is a top down structure where authority and decision making power flow through the distinct levels of management from top level to lower levels employees. So examples of companies using the hierarchical organization structures. So they are Amazon, McDonald's, that is the government agencies as well as the military organization also. Hence this structure is a chain of a command within a company or an organization which starts with the senior management and executives and extend this one to general employees. So friends, now I am hopeful that you are clear what is the meaning of a hierarchical organization structure. Next one friends, it's a team based organizational structure. ये क्या है friends? So just you see that is the chart of team structure. So here team based organizational structure is a modern management approach or system where the employees are grouped into collaborative teams instead of working of traditional and isolated departments to achieve the particular objectives of an organization. So the examples of companies using the team based organizational structure is the Spotify, the Whole Foods Market, then the Cisco and the Google and Amazon, etc. So these are the very good examples of team based organization structure. I mean, so these companies, so they have adopted what? The team based organizational or organization structure. नेक्स्ट वन फ्रेंड्स, ये क्या है? वर्चुअल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर हम भी बोल सकते हैं इसको. क्या है? इट्स द डिजिटल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर और मॉड्यूलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर. दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर इज ए फ्लेक्सिबल नेटवर्क ऑफ जियोग्राफिकल व्हिच इज डिस्पर्स इंडिविजुअल ग्रुप्स और इंडिपेंडेंट कंपनीज दैट यूज और which use ICT. Friends, it stands for Information and Communication Technology to coordinate the work and achieve the objectives and goals of the organization without a centralized physical location. So the examples of companies using the team-based organizational structure, that is the Nike, Reebok, Puma, Dell Computers, HL, etc. are the prominent companies working virtually. They have the full-time, part-time work as well as job sharing and the home-based working. So hence or thus virtual organization is a digital network which unites the various corporations to achieve the objectives. So friends, now you are clear ये क्या है मतलब virtual organization structure. So it's also just a read out, it's the chart of the virtual organization structure. So friends, just you read out. So next one friends, ये क्या है formal organization structure. So friends, it's the official. So this structure is defined and a designed system of roles, responsibilities and reporting lines. So friends, it's the chart of the formal organization structure what I have collected from the internet, okay, by management to achieve the objectives through a hierarchical chain of command, clear duties and well defined procedures and system. So here this structure consists of the fixed set of rules, regulation, procedures and structure. Examples of companies using the formal organization structure: IBM, P&G, Procter & Gamble, Tata Motors, Coca-Cola, Shell, Tata Motors, etc. Hence, the formal organization structure refers to the structure of a relationship deliberately built up by top management to realize the objectives, to achieve the objectives of the organization. So friends, it's the last but not the least, it's the informal organization structure. It's not formal, it's unofficial. Okay, so in informal organization structure refers to unofficial. Friends, I have already told you. So spontaneously or spontaneous network of social relationship, friendship and common interest which form among the individuals within a formal organization setting or within the formal organization. So it's the meaning of informal organization. So thus the informal organizational structure refers to the network of personal and social relationship of a friendship when people together interact with one another. So friends, so it's the chart, okay, the diagram of a informal organizational structure. So friends, so these are all about today's discussion. I am hopeful that you have learned a lot. So during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you find, kindly give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So I am wishing all the very best for your upcoming, that is the board semester and other exams. So thanks a lot to all of you.